Good day, children. Welcome to Advocate Bapu Sahib Bhonde High School digital class. In the class of Standard 2nd, today's subject is English 1 from the Bal Bharati textbook, 3.8 Reading Time, page number 45. Before starting the lesson, tell me, children, do you have grandparents at your house? Yes, many of them do have. And what do your grandparents do for you all? They take care of you when your parents are not there. They also tell you interesting stories and also take you out in the park, in the market. Yes. And what in return you do for your grandparents? As they have grown old, they need your help many a times. So do you help them in their work or help them when they have problem in finding some things which they have misplaced? Yes, I hope you all do. So today we are going to read a very interesting story of Nani's glasses. Now what is the meaning of glasses, children? Glasses is the specs worn on the eyes when we are not able to see properly. So these are the Nani's glasses which she have lost somewhere, and the boy is helping her out to find the glasses for her. Now let's read it out. 3.8 Reading Time. Listen, repeat and read. So children, you have to listen, repeat and read after me. Nani's glasses. Nani lost her glasses and she could not find them. Nani keeps losing her glasses. Where did I keep them? She always asks. So children, Nani have lost her glasses somewhere and she always keep losing her glasses because of her old age. She keeps on keeping somewhere and she forgets it, and she always asks where she have kept them to everyone. So she needs me to be her eyes, to find her own eyes. So what the boy is telling that she needs me to be her eyes. That means that as she is not able to find herself, the boy have to use his own eye to find out the glasses, to find her own glasses. Own glasses means this the glasses are the second eye for the Nani. Sometimes her glasses are in the bathroom, sometimes on her bed, and sometimes on her head. So the boy is telling that many a times her glasses are in the bathroom and sometimes on her bed and sometimes on her head. So he is able to find the glasses in the usual places. I looked everywhere, in all the usual places, on her head, in the bathroom, inside the cupboard, and on the bed. I also looked under her favorite chair and on the dining table. No glasses, no luck. So children, the boy is telling that I looked everywhere in all the usual places. Usual places means the places which the Nani kept always, the glasses. On her head, in the bathroom, inside the cupboard, and on the bed. So you can see here that the boy is looking in the cupboard if she had forgotten in the cupboard, and also under her favorite chair which Nani used to sit on the chair, and also on the dining table. But he did not find the glasses. So he's telling no glasses, no luck. I asked her what she had done the whole day. She said, I did nothing but much today. Some cooking in the kitchen and some work in the garden. Then I spent time in reading and knitting. So, after the boy did not find in the usual places, he asked his Nani what she was doing the whole day in the house. So, what Nani replied, she did not do much. She she cooked in the kitchen and did some work in the garden, and then the rest of the time she spent in reading and knitting. Now, do you know what is the meaning of knitting, children? Knitting means making clothes of wool by using two long needles. That is making sweaters or mufflers in winter season, for winter season. Now I had many clues. I quickly looked around new places in the house. Aha! I found the missing glasses. The glasses were wrapped in the knitting yarn. So, after asking the Nani what she was doing the whole day, he got the clues. Now, what is the meaning of clues, children? Clues means information that helps one to solve to or find something. So, now due to the clues he got the idea where he can find the glasses. So at last he found the glasses in the knitting yarn that was wrapped in the knitting yarn. What is the meaning of wrapped, children? I have already explained you what is meaning of knitting. Wrapped means covered with some material, and knitting means making clothes of wool by using two long needles. And what is the meaning of yarn, children? Yarn is the thread or wool used for knitting. Here you can see the yarn. This is a yarn. So after he got the clues where his Nani was working, in the garden, in the kitchen, reading and knitting. So he searched there. So at last he found the glasses wrapped in the knitting yarn. It was covered, it was there in the knitting yarn. So I hope you must have understood this story. Now we will see the hard words of this story. You have to look and say after me. GLASSES, glasses. BATHROOM, bathroom. CUPBOARD, cupboard. USUL, usual. FAVOURIT, favorite. KNITTING, knitting. KITCHEN, kitchen. GARDEN, garden. WRAPPED, wrapped. DINING, dining. MISSING, missing. CLUES, clues. YARN, yarn. QUICKLY, quickly. EVERYWHERE, everywhere. So we'll read it out again. Glasses, bathroom, cupboard, usual, favorite, knitting, kitchen, garden, wrapped, dining, missing, clues, yarn, quickly and everywhere. So children, you too have to learn this hard words and write 3 times each in your English notebook. Now we will see the meanings of the hard words. KNITTING, knitting, making clothes of wool by using two long blunt needles. Clues, information that helps to solve or find something. Wrapped, covered with some material. Yarn, thread or wool for knitting. So these are the meanings of some words. So you too have to learn and write in your notebook. I hope you must have understood what is the story about and the word and the meanings about this lesson. So bye till now and meet you in the same lesson for the same lesson. We'll do the exercise in the next class.